Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On this episode of Cook with Ira, I'm going to show you how to make Kwati. Now Janai Purnima is almost here, and Janai Purnima is not Janai Purnima if you don't eat Kwati that day, right? So if you don't have the recipe for this, this is going to be your go-to recipe because this is so easy, so simple, and so delicious. So let's go over ingredients really quick so we can get started here. Over here I have some mixed beans that I have soaked overnight, washed and drained, some red onions finely chopped, cumin and coriander powder mix, some salt. This is ghee. If you can't find ghee, I mean you can substitute with vegetable oil, some garlic paste, turmeric powder, some water, and these are Ajwain seeds, also known as Jwanu in Nepali. I will not leave that out because that's the key to this dish. It brings that really authentic Kwati flavor to your dish, so I would not leave that out. So over here I have a pressure cooker, and I have already some ghee kind of preheating on medium-high heat. So I'm gonna turn that high a little bit. Now to this, I'm going to add in my onions. So I'm going to cook this onion for about a minute or so. Since these are really finely chopped, it's not going to take that long to cook. What you're looking for is really nicely golden brown, and then we'll proceed next. My onions are really nicely brown. That's what you're looking for. Now you're going to add the beans to that. As you can tell already, I'm going to pressure cook my onions with the beans. The reason for that is I don't like to bite into the pieces of onions in my Kwati at the end. So by doing this, you're not gonna get those pieces of onions in your Kwati, but at the same time you get that really nice onion flavor going on in your dish. So it's been about a minute that I've been cooking this. So to this, I'm going to add in my cumin and coriander powder and a good pinch of salt. Now I'm going to cook this for about a minute or so. It's been about a minute, so I don't smell any raw spice flavor anymore. So I'm going to put water. Now I'm going to give this exactly 4 whistles. So I'm going to cook this until 4 whistles. After 4 whistles, I'm going to turn the heat off and let it cool completely. You have to let it cool completely before you open the lid, so remember that, and then I'll show you what to do next. This is ready. You can see that it's really nice and cooked all the way through, all the beans. Now I like the consistency like this. You can add more water to it if you want. It's really up to you. I'm not going to add any because I really like how this is looking at the moment. Now we're going to temper our Kwati. So over here I have my tiny pan, my tempering pan, and I have some more ghee preheating on high heat. I'm going to turn it a little bit high. Now to this, we're going to add in our garlic. Just until lightly brown. It's not going to take that long. When it turns a little brown, just a little bit, we're going to add in our Ajwain seed and cook this until the garlic turns really nicely golden brown, which it's not going to take that long, maybe like 30 more seconds. You can see it's turning really nicely brown. I'm going to add in my turmeric here and put this in my Kwati. Now you can eat this at this point because this is ready. A lot of people eat it like this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give it one more whistle. The reason for that is you can see that all the ghee and the bits and pieces of the garlic is just floating around on the top, and I don't like that. So when I give it one more whistle, it's not gonna be a mush because it's just one more whistle. All you have to do is turn the heat off and let it cook completely again. But what it does is like all those ghee and the garlic and the ajwain seed flavor, everything gets really into the beans, and it gives that bean even more flavor, and it's even more delicious. So you can try that if you want. That's what I'm gonna do. Gonna pop it back in and give it one more whistle, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. So the kwati came out of the pressure cooker just now. You can see it's really nice consistency. The beans are still intact, not mushy at all. I'm going to pour me some. It's gonna be hot. Hot. This is the perfect definition of comfort food. So hearty, so delicious, rich in flavor and nutrition. I mean, loads of protein in this one dish going on over here. So you have to try this dish on this coming Janai Purnima. If you do, let me know how it worked out in the comment section below. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you make it, do not forget to tag me on social media. My Instagram account is on the description box down below. If you have any comments or questions, put it in the comment section below. And thank you for watching today, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!